Hi everyone, Julia here, hello from Sweden and welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to make a nature collage in one of my nature journals, journal for different collages in this bigger sized journal. This is a 5 journal. For my collage I want to use all the things from my Patreon sticker mail from months of June. I have Patreon and like a few different tiers there, and one of them is a physical tier where you can get monthly sticker mail every month, a new sticker sheet, a new theme every month, and I also always send along with it some other additional things. So this is June sticker mail. I think most of my patrons already received it, but in case if you are interested, it's still possible to subscribe for June mail. It will be sent then in the beginning of July if you subscribe now, but it's still possible to receive a June mail if you like this. If you like this mail, I will leave a link to my Patreon in the description box and you can find then all the details there. So this was June mail. This was packed a bit differently for my patrons, but this is just an example that I kept for myself and that I just wanted to use. I will show you another one. This is a decorated envelope. And yeah, this is how the June Patreon mail looks like. And now I will show you what's inside. All the things in Patreon mail that I send are very similar. Like the stickers are of course the same for everyone, but I also always include some additional things, some ephemera, stickers, tapes and stuff like that, and they are very similar in every mail, but not identical, like the additional things, not exactly the same, but very similar. So these are the June stickers, very cute mice and summer girls and some picnic baskets. So the theme of this mail was like a summer day, summer picnic, summer animals, like everything nature and summer related. And I really like how this sticker sheet turned out. These mice are very cute. So I want to use some of these stickers. And then there are also 2 additional stickers. These are clear stickers printed on clear sticker paper. And also this one, this was a digital collage for months of June that I made. This one is also available in digital form that you can download and print out at home. This was for digital tier on my Patreon. And I also printed this as a sticker. And then there also were a few additional things, some nature related ephemera, some papers and different cutouts with animals and some tapes and stuff like this, some tickets and yeah, additional papers. And I think in the mail that I sent to my patrons, there were a few more things. This is just kind of an example that I kept for myself, but I didn't include every single thing here because I ran out of some of the things that I included. So I think there were still a few more things, but I'm going to use these things that I have here. Also this cute book page with mice. I used this beautiful book pages with animals for packing this month's mail, and yeah, this was one of the book pages that I also used, and I have one for myself too, so I want to use this. So I'm going to make a collage using all these all these things from Patreon mail. Maybe I will add a few more things, I don't know yet. And in this journal I have 2 inserts. This is like a 5-sized kind of traveler's notebook. It's from London Gifties. I really like this color, the color of it, and the size that is a little bit bigger than regular traveler's notebook. So if I'm in the mood for something bigger, I always use this journal. And I have here 2 inserts. One is with nature collages that I started sometime this year, in the beginning of this year. So I have a few nature collages. This is an original of the collage that I made for Patreon for June, like digital printable collage. I have also a few unfinished pages still, but I think I will leave this for the moment. And I'm going to make a new spread here, and I definitely want to use this book page, this cute mice, and the image on the other side is also very beautiful. So I scanned this, and I think I will print out this side and also will use it somewhere else, but I'm going to use this side for my collage today, original of this side. So now I'm going to cut out this cute mice, and I think also this part here and this 2 birds from the book page. And then we'll make a background using some of these papers. Also want to add some of the stickers, but I think first I will cut out all these animals and birds. I cut out my animals and birds, and I think now I will try to find a way how exactly I want to place them first on in my collage, because the images are quite big. So let's see. And then I want to make a background. Yeah, I'm not sure yet about these birds. I think I will separate them and will put them somewhere around here, but I'm not sure yet where exactly. But I think these 2 I want to have like this, and I also still have a few leftovers from the book pages that I can use for my background. Yeah, so I think now I will make a background using these papers that I have here, and then we'll start to add more details. These 2 papers are double-sided, and they have different images on both sides, and they're kind of a little bit thick, so I would like to avoid to add too much bulk to my collage. And I also could use both sides, actually, both images. So I'm just going to carefully separate this paper. It's of course unnecessary to do it, but if you want to use both sides of the thicker paper, or just want to avoid adding bulk to your journal with most of the thicker papers, you can easily separate them like this. Just have to be patient and careful, but yeah, like this I can use both sides of these papers, and as you can see they're quite a bit thinner now, so it won't add too much bulk then to to my journal, so I'm going to use both sides of these papers. Both sides are actually really pretty, so I'm happy that I can use both. So I think I finished my background. I still will add a few details here and there, but I think mostly it's done. And of course you don't have to cover all your page and do this kind of background, but usually I prefer to make a background like this, which basically covers pretty much all the page. Sometimes I can do something just in the middle of the page and leave some space, but usually I like when everything is covered. I don't like to leave any free space, only if I need some space for journaling, but in this case I won't journal here, so I covered pretty much all my pages and I still want to add a few more details. I really love to have many layers on my background. Now I will start to add more details. I separated these two bird images, and I think one I want to put somewhere over here and one over here also, and to add a few more things, something like this, I think. And also I think I don't need this part here. Yeah, something like this. So I think I will glue down this part first. Something like this. Yeah. So this piece here. Okay, I think now I also can glue down this mice. I also cut out this cute sleepy hedgehog from one of the washi tapes that I had. But yeah, it's a washi tape, so it's clear, so I just sticked it to the white paper, to the leftover of one of the book pages, that it's not transparent, and I think I will glue it down here. Yeah, something like this. I also want to use some of the stickers from this sticker sheet. Maybe one of these clear stickers, maybe this one actually, or one of these. And there are mice already, so I think I will use a few more mice. Maybe this one. This one is really cute. This cute little mouse. I think I will put it somewhere here or here. Yeah, somewhere over here. And maybe something else, maybe this one too. Maybe here. And as the stickers have white background, I will use a bit of this distress ink just to distress them a bit, that they blend in better into the background. And because colors of this page are mainly muted, and I don't really like that this white stands out, so I will use a bit of distress ink. I think I also will add a few stamps. I found a few postage stamps which may fit to this page, so I want to add a few postage stamps just to add a bit more interesting details. Yeah, something like this. Something like this. And I also cut out a few butterflies from the PAT tape, so I think I also will add a few butterflies here and there. Okay, I think my collage is ready. I don't think I will add anything else. I still could add maybe a few tiny details, but I already like how it looks now, so I won't add anything else. And I used pretty much only the things from June Patreon Happy Mail, sticker mail, except a few small details like this postage stamps and these butterflies. Yeah, but all the rest is from the Patreon sticker mail, and I really love how this collage turned out, and I still have a couple of things left, so I think I still can make a few nature collages, and especially with these stickers. I already was using them quite a bit in different journals, so this is not the first sheet of the stickers that I use myself. So I hope this video was interesting for you and inspiring, and inspired you for collaging as well. And if you like this stickers and this happy mail that comes with them, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description box, and you still can subscribe for June sticker mail and receive exactly this mail. You can do that until 30th of June, until last day of June, and it will be sent to you then in the beginning of July. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!